Is your Fifth Third account on hold? You're not alone. Banks place holds for security, verification, or unusual activity. Common reasons include a flagged transaction, identity verification, or a suspicious login. Large deposits or sudden transfers can also trigger automated holds. Expired ID or mismatched information may delay access while the bank verifies details. You'll usually get an alert telling you the reason and next steps. Step 1. Check messages from Fifth Third for the specific reason. Step 2. Gather documents like a photo ID, proof of address, or transaction receipts. Step 3. Contact Fifth Third support by phone, secure message, or visit a branch. If the hold is security-related, change passwords and review recent activity immediately. Most holds clear within a few business days after you provide verification. Still stuck? Visit fifththird.com/support or call the number on your statement to resolve holds.